Welcome to our instructional video on solving for the variable in an algebraic equation. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the equation 6 times x minus 2 equals 10. By following a few simple steps, you will be able to find the value of the variable x that satisfies this equation. So grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation 6x minus 2 equals 10, the first step is to isolate the term that contains the variable, which is 6x. To do this, we need to eliminate the constant term, which is minus 2, from the left-hand side of the equation. We do this by adding 2 to both sides of the equation. This operation will help us keep the equation balanced, meaning both sides will remain equal after we perform the addition. So, let's add 2 to the left-hand side and also add 2 to the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, we have 6x minus 2 plus 2. When you add minus 2 and plus 2, they cancel each other out and become 0. So the left-hand side simplifies to just 6x. On the right-hand side, we had 10, and now we add 2 to it, making it 12. After performing the addition, the new equation becomes 6x equals 12. To summarize this step, we added 2 to both sides of the equation to get rid of the minus 2 on the left-hand side, simplifying the equation to 6x equals 12. Now that we have the equation 6x equals 12, we have successfully isolated the term that contains the variable, which is 6x, on the left-hand side. The next step is to solve for the variable x. To do this, we need to get x by itself on one side of the equation. Since x is currently being multiplied by 6, we need to perform the opposite operation to isolate x, which means we need to divide both sides of the equation by 6. This operation will keep the equation balanced, meaning both sides will remain equal after we perform the division. So let's divide the left-hand side of the equation, 6x, by 6, and also divide the right-hand side, which is 12 by 6. On the left-hand side, we have 6x divided by 6. When you divide 6x by 6, the 6's cancel each other out, leaving x by itself. On the right-hand side, we have 12 divided by 6. When you divide 12 by 6, you get 2. After performing the division, the equation simplifies to x equals 2. To summarize this step, we divided both sides of the equation by 6 to isolate the variable x, and we found that x equals 2. This is the final step, and we have our solution, x equals 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.